Well, hello. So you clicked on this video because you're interested in starting a worm bin. I have a question for you. Do you have what it takes to finish the fight? Because this isn't for the faint of heart. You have to be 100% committed to this mission to raise worms. Because it's not a joke. I have had worms and I've lost them because I had made some bad choices. Yes, but I moved on. I stopped making the same mistakes and now I know what to do. So if you're really interested in starting a worm bin, enjoy the video. So I see you continue watching the video, and I want to say thank you for taking the first step to show that you are committed to become a worm farmer. So good job. Now my question for you is, why do you want to become a worm farmer? Do you want your worms to compost your food scraps? Or is there something else that you want your worms to do? Do you just want them to be pets so you can look at them? If you're interested in having composting worms, you're going to need red wigglers, or European night crawlers, African night crawlers, or blue worms. Well, starting out, you're going to need at least 1 to 2 pounds of red wigglers. 1 pound is about 1,000 red wigglers, and 2 pounds is about 2,000 red wigglers. So that's a lot of worms you're going to have to take care of. So think about it. Are you really committed to have that many worms? And on that note, what are you going to keep them in? You're not going to keep them in something like this, are you? If you do, shame on you. You're going to think about what you're going to keep them in. You got to keep them in a Rubbermaid tote, a worm bin 360, or something like that, so your worms will be comfortable. You're going to have to use good bedding. You're going to have to give them food scraps. You're going to have to just treat your worms like your own kids, because they could be your kids one day. So, I have another question for you. Where are you going to keep your worms? If the weather is hot outside, they could die because it gets too hot. Or if it's extreme cold, it could die. And I have lost my worms because of that. They froze to death, and I did feel bad because I'm like, they shouldn't have had to suffer because of my neglect. But now, never again. I take care of my worms. And on that note, if you're able to, sneak them in the basement. My family didn't want my worms in the house, but all I did was look at them like this. And who could resist the face like that? No one could. So use your Puss in Boot eyes, bat them at your family, or do like I really did. I snuck them in, and eventually they found out. They were mad, but they got over it. I'm glad that they were able to become in agreement with me. But if you take care of your worms, you won't have problems with them. Your worm bins won't smell. They'll keep thriving. So just ask yourself a couple questions. Why do you want worms? What are you going to keep them in? And are you committed 100% to take care of your worms? I just want to say thank you for your time. Like the video, leave comments, and have a great day. Bye.